Hey guys, it's Lacey with Team Crabtree Homes. Let me ask you, is the cost of upkeep and repairs keeping you from buying a home? Many renters don't buy a house because they're afraid of the cost of upkeep and repairs. True enough, you aren't responsible for the upkeep or repairs on your rental, but you also have little or no say about what gets fixed, when it gets fixed, or the quality of the work, and you don't have any say in making improvements either. However, you might end up paying for repairs on your rental if your landlord feels the damage is caused by you. That's what your security deposit is for. If you have a rental that's in great shape and or a landlord who is on top of things, then maybe renting is better for you. But if you feel like you're constantly having to ask for things or your requests are being ignored, perhaps you're even fixing things yourself, you may as well be doing that for yourself in your own home. If you do worry about being responsible for the costs of unexpected repairs, here's a decent solution. Buy a home warranty. For a few $100s, you can get a lot of what could possibly go wrong with your house covered by the warranty. If you have any questions at all, or if we can help you in any way, buying or selling a home, please give us a call, 931-307-4660. Have a great week.